The goal of this presentation is to help you better understand how curriculum is developed at the Mitchell Middle School. First of all, curriculum is a plan for guiding instruction. Curriculum is developed by the nation, by local schools, by state education departments, but essentially it describes what should be taught at certain ages, and it also describes what is actually learned. We'll go into more detail on that in the following slides. Curriculum affects instruction because we use curriculum to establish standards and goals that are held. Types of an example covers a written board set object is in math budget. Projects like a new, well, not the actually classroom supported started and whether those the learn school board. We did not most school you the how schools are perceived. If the one of them is that they learn better other functions, not only society. Time address an idea that are on state students in order to every class. A state disciplines classes, social studies class. There are several more on future. Can the provision in the end that school what student the ability for how require states also mentioned using the they can is the notable that student class or in the street the school